Have you noticed that this particular kind of videos are getting a lot of views on the internet? Like, I just like the style of it, right? You can literally see that this channel just have like 12 videos, right? Just 12 videos, and I have over 8,000 subscribers already, right? Just look at how much this guy is pulling out, like the views. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create this thing, right? I've even shown you guys how to create this before, but I'll do it again this time around. Stick till the end. You can imagine, it's just December this guy created this channel. Crazy. Now the first thing you're going to do is to come here, right, to this particular prompt. I'm going to give you access to the prompt. Just tell me, Victor, I need the prompt in the comment section, or just chat me on WhatsApp. My number is going to be wheresoever. Just check around where you're watching. Now you're going to come out to the first prompt, right, and copy everything you have in the first prompt, right? Just copy everything down to, so you copy everything up to this place, right? Don't copy prompt 2. Copy the first prompt and then take it to ChatGPT and paste it, right? I've already done mine, so you just paste your own. This is the same prompt here, right? So now you're not going to come down. You're going to notice that it's going to give you series of ideas, right? This is like ideas, numbers of ideas, right, that you can use to create your videos on. Now after it has generated all of these ideas, right, because these ideas are proven for to work, right? These ideas are proven to work because it's breeds curiosity, right? What you're going to do is now to select the one you want, and then let's say if it's 6, right, how much sugar is too much, right? You just tap on 6 and then tap on enter, and it's going to give you like an example of 6, right? So but this one I actually typed on how long can you go without drinking water, so it's not actually 6, but yours, just choose whatever one you want. Just tap on it and press enter, and it's going to give you the script, right, for that particular one you choose. Now the next thing you're going to do after it has given you this script, to go back to the prompt. When you come out to the prompt section, you're going to copy the whole of prompt 2, right? Copy everything in prompt 2 down, copy everything, right? When you copy everything, you're going to now paste the whole prompt 2 under this thing that's giving you, right? You paste the whole prompt 2 and then tap on enter, right? Now you can see it's going to give you the whole scene. This is scene 1, right? This is the whole of things that is going to happen in scene 1. So it's also going to give you the image to video prompt, right? So what you're going to firstly do is to copy this, right? Don't copy this image to video prompt first. You copy it from upwards, right? Just the scene 1 right here, right? And then copy it from here, this environment small. Stop here, copy everything. We're going to now generate the image for this. You're going to come to this platform called Wix, or you can use any image generation platform, right? You can use any, you can use Gemini, you can use any, just get the concept, right? So when you come here, this way you're going to paste the prompt, right, for that, and then you're going to come here depending on the ratio you want. So if it's this TikTok ratio, you can just tap on that, right, and then you're now going to just tap on this to generate, and it's going to generate. You can see I've generated all the images. You can see here for the first prompt. That is what you're going to do everything, right? So it's easy. You can see here this is the first image and stuff. Now what you're going to do after generating everything, mind you, you're going to do everything like the same way I showed you. That is scene 1. You can see scene 2. Copy from here, right? Don't copy the image to video prompt yet. Copy from here upward, right, to get the image before you now transform the image to video. Now when you do everything, you have all your image, you download all your image and keep them aside. Now you're now going to create those image, turn the image to videos. Now you can use this free platform, because I prefer it because it gives you unlimited generation. It's grok.com. Now when you come to grok.com, this is how it's going to be, right? So you're going to come towards this side here, right, and then tap on this imagine, right, because this is where you're going to do all the creative works. Now you're not going to come here to this upload and tap on upload. Then you're not going to choose the image that you just download, the first image. Please organize your work, right? Choose the first image for the first prompt, right? So you're going to organize everything well. Now you can see it has uploaded. Now we want to transform this image to video, right? So now you're now going to go back to the to ChatGPT, and this way you're now going to copy this image to video prompt, right? So you just copy the image to video prompt. When you copy the image to video, then you take it back to Grok, and then you're now going to paste it. So this is how you do it. Then you now tap on generate, and it's going to generate a video for you, right? Now you can see all the videos that I've downloaded. Like just watch. You can see this is it. I've just put the voice down, right? But this is it. So this is how I generated all the videos, right? And then that's how you're going to also do it. So make sure you do it accordingly. Do it, organize it well, please, so that you're going to get it perfectly done. So now the next thing is to get the voiceover. You can listen to the voiceover that I did here.
How long can you go without drinking water? Hour 6. Your mouth feels...
So you understand now how you get that voiceover. I use this free platform called Clipchamp, right? So this is a free platform you can use to generate voiceovers. Or I also have like a voiceover artist that I normally use. So if you're interested in that voiceover artist, you can DM me, and I'm going to connect you with my own personal voiceover artist. But that's comes with a small fee, right? It's not expensive, don't worry. So that is how you're going to be creating all of these kinds of videos, right? Think about nice ideas to come up with. ChatGPT can help you come up with different scripts, right? So just use the format I have shown you, right, to create all of these nice, because it's actually getting a lot of traction. And I think, see, I'm going to actually create a channel for this, specifically for this. I think that's what I'm going to do, because right now I'm seeing that this is a very hot niche. So if you got value from this video, subscribe, like, follow, share, right? And if you're interested in creating videos, right, on the internet, like creating ad videos for businesses and get paid, interested in like the media aspect of AI, you can join the G4G AI hub, right? It's just, the link is going to be on the description of this video, and we're running a discount now that is Valentine period, right? In as much as the Valentine has passed, but the discount is still still present till the end of this month, right? So you can take advantage of that. Link is going to be in the description of this video. My name is Victor, and I'm interested in anything AI and online business. See you guys in the next one.